Hey, what's going on, dev? Welcome back to Web Dev channel. In today's episode, we're gonna create a CSS loading animation really from scratch, step by step. Stick to the end of the video because after watching it, you also will be able to make it by yourself. Hey, if you're new here and you want to increase your web dev skills, subscribe and you also click that little bell down below so you don't miss anything. Alright, as I told you, let's get started really from the beginning. Okay, let's create our files structure. Start with our index.html, okay, for the markup. And also style.css, this one our presentation layer, okay? No JavaScript this time. Let's close this for now and let's create our markup. All right, let's give a tab a couple of times, go to the title, and in the title let's say something like CSS Loading Animation, and below that we need a link connecting our markup to our CSS. Alright, let's go to our markup. I promise it's gonna be very short. Okay, we have our main loader and 3 spans. Alright, this one is gonna be those round stuff. Alright, let's go live and see what we have so far. Looks like we have nothing. We're in the realm of CSS where the magic happens. Okay, let's start by create our CSS Reset. Margin padding is gonna be 0 and box sizing is gonna be border box. Alright, so it's gonna be the same across different browsers. And for the body, let's pick a background color, a dark color like this one. And now we're gonna grab our main container. Okay, our main is just one, and in here let's apply some style. Okay, the position here is going to be relative because you're going to have some stuff absolute width. Let's give it a size, okay, a width and the height of 200 pixels. I know we cannot see anything, so let's give it a color for now. Okay, background color orange. Okay, so now we can see it, and yeah, very good. And now we're gonna try to put our beautiful piece of art, our square, to the middle of the page. Okay, let's give a min height of 100 ph, and now we have the task. How are we gonna do that? How can we put that in the middle? You can pause and think. Okay, I choose Flexbox, so display flex, justify content center along the main axis and align item center along the cross axis, and yeah, it's right in the middle. Okay, alright, and the next chapter is gonna be create a H2. Okay, this H2 here is gonna be saying loading. Okay, is done. So let's go back here and again let's use the same secret, okay, to put that in the middle. Display is gonna be flex, and let's use justify content to put that in the center along the main axis, and along the cross axis aligned items is gonna be center, and as you can see it is right in the middle again. We have just a loading word in the middle. Let's apply some style. Okay, this one is black and no style at all. So let's do it. Remember, you can always pause and type, okay? Or you can watch it 2 times faster. It's up to you, okay? We grab the color and font family consoles and sans serif as a fallback in case of something goes wrong, and font weight is going to be 500. And we're coming to the main part of the project, okay? Let's start styling our spans, okay? So loader and span, the position, as you know, is gonna be absolute, okay? Remember, I told you. And in here, from the top is gonna be 0, and for the left also 0. Let's give it a width and a height of 100% of its parent, okay? And I know we can't see, so let's give it a border, okay? 2 pixels. And let's change the color because black on black is hard to see. So let's have it white, and yeah, now we can see the border, okay? At least one of them. We're gonna have 3. And the point events is gonna be none, all right? And one more thing here, we want this to be spinning on different orientations, okay? So let's create animation. Let's call that animate. I know, it's very smart. And 5 seconds, linear and infinite, okay? It's gonna be spinning forever, all right? And below that, let's create our animation. All right, we no longer need this background color, okay? And now what we need here is gonna be create our animation. What is very easy in CSS. It's hard to do that in After Effects, okay? What in here is quite simple. Add keyframes animate at 0%. Let me type here. At 0%, we want that transform rotate to be at 0 degrees, okay? But at 100%, we want that to be 360 degrees, okay? And yeah, the magic is happening. The square is spinning around. And as you remember, we just created 3 spans, not just one, okay? So let's grab the loader, span, nth child, and let's select them, okay? Let me duplicate this. And here, the second one and the third one. I put the second one here. We fix that later. And we want this one to have animation, duration, direction, okay, direction, reverse. So one goes to the right and the other one goes to the left, okay? Beautiful project. Yeah, you go ahead and you can put that in your portfolio. I'm joking. We did not finish that yet, okay? Wait until the end and you're gonna have a different project, okay? Much better. Animation duration here for this one is gonna be 2.5, okay? Now let's grab the first one. Remember, we have 3 of them, 3 spans, okay? So let's select the first one here and let's change its border radius. Let's make it round for now. And after that, let's change the border radius of everything here, okay? Yeah, now it's becoming nice. All right, we don't want those round and also those squares. So let's look for something weird. Fancy imperfections, okay? Fancy border radius. Let's come to here and make some art in here. I think this one's good enough. Let me delete this one and paste this border radius here and see what we have. Let me border radius, paste it here. And yeah, we have a fancy imperfection, okay? The first one, nice. Let's go for the second one. I don't know exactly what I'm doing here. I'm trying to make it no perfect, okay? So let me paste in here in the second one and let's see what you have. Border radius, paste. Yeah, looks good. One is spinning in one direction, another one in another direction. Is nice. So now we can go to the last one. Let's make this one even weird. Okay, like this one is almost a square, and I don't know, looks like a fruit. Okay, now let's paste here border radius, just paste, and let's give it a save. Oh, I forgot to change this. Yeah, that's what you have so far. Okay, devs, and now we go to the last step. Let's say we have a very slow internet connection. We don't want the user to spend a couple of hours look at this white stuff. Okay, so let's give it some color. All right, this way he can handle staring at the screen for a couple of hours or all afternoon. Let's copy this one, the second color here. This one is gonna be a yellowish color. Okay, nice, but let's have another color. Okay, I don't like this white one. So border color, let's pick this last one and let's paste it here. Okay, is a green color. So that's it for today, dev. I really hope you like it. It was very fun building that with you. I hope you like it. If you like it, you know what to do. Subscribe and you also click that little bell down below so you don't miss anything.